Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, regardless of their income level? That includes people making six figures who still can't seem to get ahead financially. If you think your paycheck is too small, I'm about to show you why that might not be the real problem. Most people believe their financial struggles would disappear if they just earned more money. They fantasize about doubling their salary, thinking it would solve everything. But here's the uncomfortable truth that financial advisors don't want you to hear. Your paycheck isn't the villain in your money story. Let me paint you a picture. Mark works in marketing and makes $45,000 a year. He's convinced his financial stress comes from not earning enough. Meanwhile, his colleague David makes $90,000 annually, but somehow has less money in savings than Mark. How is that possible? The answer lies in a concept called lifestyle inflation. When David got his promotion and salary increase, he didn't just pocket the extra money. He upgraded his apartment, bought a nicer car, started dining out more frequently, and justified these purchases because he was earning more. His expenses grew alongside his income, leaving him in the same financial position despite earning double. This phenomenon happens to almost everyone. We tell ourselves we deserve better things when we earn more, but we never address the underlying spending habits that created our financial stress in the first place. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a massive hole in the bottom by pouring water faster instead of fixing the leak. The real issue isn't your income, it's your relationship with money. Think about the last time you made an impulse purchase. Did you consider how it fit into your overall financial goals? Or did you justify it with phrases like, "I work hard, I deserve this," or "It's only $20. These small decisions compound over time and create the financial pressure you're experiencing. Here's where things get interesting. The wealthy think about money completely differently than the average person. While most people focus on earning more, wealthy individuals obsess over optimizing what they already have. They understand that building wealth isn't about the size of your paycheck. It's about the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Consider this scenario. Person A earns $50,000 and spends $40,000, saving $10,000 annually. Person B earns $100,000 but spends $95,000, saving only $5,000 per year. Who's building wealth faster? Person A, despite earning half as much, because they've mastered the art of living below their means. The psychology behind this is fascinating. Our brains are wired to adapt to new income levels quickly. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. When you get a raise, you experience temporary happiness. But within months, your new income feels normal, and you start wanting more again. You're essentially running on a financial hamster wheel, always chasing the next increase without ever feeling satisfied. So what's the solution? Start by tracking every dollar you spend for 30 days. Not to judge yourself, but to become aware of your patterns. You'll likely discover money leaks you didn't even know existed. That daily coffee, streaming services you forgot about, or the convenience of ordering takeout multiple times per week. Next, implement the 50-30-20 rule, but with a twist. Instead of allocating 50% of your income to needs, try 45%. Use that extra 5% to pay yourself first by immediately transferring it to savings when you receive your paycheck. This small change forces you to live on slightly less without feeling deprived. Here's the game changer. Automate your wealth building. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts right after payday. When the money disappears before you can spend it, you naturally adjust your lifestyle to accommodate the remaining amount. Your brain stops considering that money as available for spending. The most successful people I know aren't necessarily the highest earners. They're the ones who've learned to maximize the value of every dollar they make. They understand that wealth isn't built through income alone. It's built through intentional financial decisions made consistently over time. Your paycheck might not be perfect, but it's probably more capable than you realize. The question isn't whether you earn enough money, it's whether you're using the money you have efficiently. Start optimizing your current financial resources, and you might be surprised by how much wealth you can build without ever seeing a salary increase. Stop blaming your paycheck and start taking control of your financial future today.